Hi, I'm Eleni and I'm from Yogahari Healing. Yoga Quest is a 7-week yoga course based on the practices and teachings of classical Tantra philosophy. It was born for a deep love for these transformative practices. So if you're yearning to deepen your yoga practice, if you're a yoga teacher that wants to learn more about Tantra philosophy, then join me for this 7-week transformative journey. So what I love about classical Tantra philosophy is how applicable it is to everyday life, particularly how to work with and view the mind. We're taught to see our difficult thoughts and feelings simply as an expression of the divine. We don't demonize them, we don't try to get rid of them, and they're not something separate from us. They're actually part of who we are and part of an expression of the divine in a contracted form. So during the Yoga Quest workshop, we're going to be exploring different yoga practices that apply to the 3 Upayas. They include meditation practices for centering and expanding our awareness. We'll look at contemplations or bhavanas, spiritual teachings, and look at how they apply to everyday life. And we'll also be doing some personal reflection exercises to move beyond our own inner blocks and our karmic limitations.
Taking part in Yoga Quest was a great experience for me.
I was able to really gain a lot of insight into what it means to accept all parts of me.
I'm just a lot more accepting of people, events and feelings that arise in me, and less likely to be critical and judgmental.
A really great way to just sort of reconnect with your true self.
It's given me a lot more self-trust, less self-doubt.
Incredible combination of both theory and yoga practice.
It was great to deep dive into the philosophies and the teachings of classical Tantra.
I didn't want it to end. I absolutely loved it. So if you get the chance to do it, I highly recommend.